Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about Robinhood. We're going to be doing a full Robinhood investment broker review. Is this broker worth it? What is the pros, the cons, and everything you must know about this broker? So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, follow, and if you want to learn more about investing, check out our school. You guys can get 50% off by using code PRESALE. Check it out. We teach you how to find undervalued stocks, all that good stuff. But enough with that. Let's dive into this. So what is Robinhood? Well, Robinhood is one of the most popular stockbrokers out there, and why people are drawn to them was because of one thing, and that is commission-free trading. Back in the day, you'd have to buy, you'd have to sell, but there was commission involved. There was brokers that charge as high as $7, $8 to buy a stock. So if you only had $10 to trade with, you're not going to even want to invest, because in order to make money, you're going to have to take that $10 and turn it into over like $50. Because if you buy a stock, when you buy it, you have to pay for that share plus $10. So it was incredibly expensive. Robinhood came along and said, we're getting rid of commission. Everybody flocked to it, and now it's one of the most popular brokers out there. It offers a variety of great tools, from investments to debit and credit cards. You can buy and sell cryptocurrency. It's a really, really awesome platform. But what are the pros and cons? So obviously, like I already mentioned, commission-free trading. If you want to buy a stock, it's $0. If you want to buy an ETF, it's $0. If you want to have options, $0. Fraction share investing, $0. This is great for beginners with small accounts to start that process of trading, or even just overall investing for the long run. The second thing people love about this thing is it's super easy to use. There's brokers that can take days or weeks in order to just learn to navigate through it. With Robinhood, they make it so easy to jump in the driver's seat and start investing today. Now, you can literally within minutes buy stocks, build ETFs, open up, dividend portfolio, open up an IRA, and just track your investments. The third reason why people love this is because of fraction shares. You can buy a stock with as little as $1. That's it. It's simple. It's easy to do. You get the fraction of it, so you own part of that company. It's a really, really awesome thing that Robinhood offers. The fourth reason why people love this broker is because of automated investing. If you just want to invest and forget and just automate everything, maybe every week you want to pick up shares of Nvidia or some ETFs, you can automate everything from investing into the S&P 500. Great dividend companies, great ETFs. You can pick whether you want to do it bi-weekly, weekly, monthly. It's perfect for building long-term wealth with not having to go into it every day or week in order to place those orders. The fifth reason why people love this is because of retirement accounts. Robinhood offers IRAs, traditional IRAs, custodial accounts. They offer all these different account types. So if you want a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA, Robinhood offers a variety of great account types to meet your needs. All right, the sixth reason why people love Robinhood is because of Robinhood Gold. I actually use Robinhood Gold. Let me explain to you why. For $5 a month, you get great features like instant deposits, professional research, higher cash sweep rates. You get margin investing benefits, additional premium tools. I also have it integrated with my Robinhood Gold card, which is just a credit card. And over the past year, I've gotten like $500 in rewards from that. So it's definitely outweighed the cost of that $5. So it's a great, great thing that they offer. Not to mention, they offer 24-hour trading, which is awesome. So maybe if you want to buy shares after hours, Robinhood Robinhood now allows you to buy and place those orders after hours. Now, the next thing why people love this is because of crypto. Robinhood, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can start with as little as $1, so you can buy Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies. Everything stays all inside the app, so you're not having to click and back and forth between brokers and maybe your crypto wallet. Now, one of the last reasons why people love Robinhood is it's so easy to track your investments. They keep it super easy to navigate and see your total gain, your daily gain, your dividend income, portfolio allocation, performance charts. It's one of the easiest apps to understand that I've ever came across. All right, so those are all of the main pros when it comes to Robinhood. And I'm sure I might have missed a couple, but those are the main ones I love. But what are the cons? The first thing that I don't like about Robinhood is the whole incident with the GameStop. The whole GameStop era was kind of crazy. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, this is when everybody was buying GameStop, GME. Now, what this caused was a short squeeze with hedge funds. So this caused the stock to skyrocket up, but these hedge funds were shorting it, which was betting for the stock to go down. So these hedge funds were losing money, but Robinhood had his partners with hedge funds. So they pretty much paused all the orders with GameStop. That should have never happened. There should be no reason you can't buy or sell any stock. It doesn't matter when or where they shouldn't be able to do that. And they did. So I'm not a huge fan of that. But for me, I'm not a huge guy to chase those types of stocks to begin with. So it's not too big of a deal, but I can see why a lot of people are very upset with Robinhood about it. All right, another reason is because of limited research. Robinhood's very, very good, but when you compare it to some other brokers like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers, Moomoo, you can definitely see Robinhood is definitely not suited for these huge time, traders. It has limited, technical analysis, fewer financial reports, fewer screeners for trading. So it's just more of a beginner style broker. The next reason why I don't like Robinhood is Robinhood makes money off what you call order flow. Order flow, pretty much how it works is Robinhood works with hedge funds and other companies. So imagine you bought a stock for $1 on Robinhood. Robinhood's going to try to get that order placed for 95 cents and pocket that 5 cents. And they do that millions of times with hedge funds and, and brokers and all that stuff. And they make a bunch of money off it. So what that means for you as an investor or a trader is you're never getting the best available price. This is huge for trading because every penny matters. And for long-term investing, it's really not that big of a deal, but for trading, it really is. All right, one of the last reasons why I don't like Robinhood is it has limited mutual funds and bonds. Now, for me, I mostly invest into ETFs, but there is a lot of investors that do invest into bonds and mutual funds. So this would be huge if you can't even have access to it, or the ones you have access to are very limited. It'd be better if they just had it where you could invest into them, but actually you're very limited on mutual funds and bonds that you can invest into. So at the end of the day, who is Robinhood good for? Robinhood is good for beginners, long-term investors, ETF investors, dividend investors, college students, small, traders, small investors, small accounts, just dollar cost averaging. This, in my opinion, is great. Honestly, I would rather see you guys use Robinhood and start the process of investing than not invest at all. But who should skip Robinhood? Professional traders. At the end of the day, you're not getting the best available price. They have limited research tools. It's just more suited for beginners and long-term investors. But the best features still are there. That commission-free trading starting out with where you can invest $1, automated investing, great IRAs, DRIP, dividend reinvesting, cryptocurrency. There's a lot of pros with this. So if I was going to rate Robinhood out of 5 stars, I probably would give it around a 4 stars out of 5. I think it's great. It's easy to use. You can see why they're one of the most popular brokers out there, but just the limited tools is kind of why I'm taking it a little step back. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys like, follow, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.